Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Magical Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of hauls and reviews. Under haul section I have lot of hauls of makeup, skincare, accessories. Like under accessories I have bags, footwears, you name it, and I think mostly I have it. And under review section I have lot of reviews for makeup, skincare, as well as I have lot of comparison videos between two different makeup products and all. Like if that is what you are looking out for, then yes, you are at the right place. Please do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, if you want to ask me anything, definitely you can follow me on Instagram as well as on the Facebook. You can DM me over there and I will try to help you, or I will try to, like, we can be friends over there. So for the links of the same will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Okay, now from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit idea of the product what I am going to review for you. Yes, this is going to be a mineral powder. Okay, this is not a setting powder, this is basically a mineral powder. This is basically from Innisfree brand. You all must have heard about Innisfree brand. Innisfree basically is into skincare, but they do have a makeup range as well. Under makeup range they have a mineral powder. Okay, and this is their no sebum mineral powder. And right now, recently, I don't know when, but few months or maybe a few days before only, they have in India launched a full range of different kinds of flavored mineral powder. Earlier they used to have only one mineral powder that was like, I don't think that was without any flavor or any smell or anything. Of course, even this is without smell. This smells a little bit of that particular variant which you have ordered, but not much. The smell goes off within some time after application. Okay, like Innisfree, this is totally made in Korea. Now first I'll show you the packaging. This is what the packaging is. You all can see. Okay, it is written, do not eat, this is not food. They have given you specific instructions because this is in the eatable variant, that is a mint variant. In this they used to have, why I say used to have, because right now when I am checking, I got this product from Purple. This is not a sponsored video. I can show you the bill. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. This is like got by my own money. Nobody is sponsoring me, because when I ordered this product, that time they were having total 6 variants. I can tell you the name. It was in cherry, peach, lemon, melon, mint and grape. What intrigued me was the mint variant. Okay, so I ordered only the mint variant just for the review purpose, because you all know I do have dry skin, and that is why I was a little bit afraid of ordering this. But I am not at all disappointed. Right, I am not at all disappointed. This is not a setting powder. This is just to control your sebum and excess oil on your face. Since I do not have sebum, I do not have excess oil, I do like belong to dry skin, but definitely I cannot vouch on that particular point. But this is like, they say कि this will not produce sebum. It controls no sebum mineral powder. That is what is written over here. Mentos mint variant Innisfree. That is what is written. I have already opened the product, but just to show you, I have kept the packaging. Actually, I thought this will be the packaging, but no, I am wrong. I was wrong. When you open it, this comes off. So the design, whatever you see on the packaging, it comes off, and y'all can see. But the color is of, I think, mint color, because I have not seen other colors. But definitely, I think the outer packaging is color coordinated. Below over here, if you see, they have given you each and every detail. Okay, it contains 5 grams of product, and the MRP is, I think, 500 or 550 rupees. 510. Sorry, it is written over here 510. It contains 5 grams of product. The shelf life is almost for 3 years. Okay, and when you open it, it is good for 12 months. That is what is mentioned on the sticker. Okay, it is given over here. Mint variant is written on the cap. So when you open the cap, okay, this is the cap, and you do get a small puff. Innisfree is written, so you can like use it like this. Okay, now you all can see over here they have given you a film kind of. You just have to pull that up and you have to apply it. Like you just have to turn, like you have to keep this way. You just have to take out some product on the cap and you just have to apply either with your powder brush or maybe with the puff itself you all can apply. I have applied this, so what I did, I just wanted to show you. That is why I opened this and I applied it on my face and I kept it again. So I have not opened this just to show you how it comes. So you can definitely remove this upper film, whatever is, I think here they have given you a blue symbol. So you just have to tear it off from here and you can apply. You do not have to keep it again, but for the video purpose I have kept it again. And what I can do is I can just show you how it swatches. I don't think it is visible because right now on my hands there is lot of glitter particles, because before shooting this video I just filmed one video on Bella Hostel highlighter stick, the full range, the all 6 shades. Either that video will be up before this or maybe after this, I'm not sure, but if it is before this, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. And if you can see something on my eyes, I am trying to be now creative. So I have applied the Seri Cosmetics eyeshadow stick on my eyes. So if you want to see that video as well, I have compared Seri Cosmetics eyeshadow stick with the K-Beauty eyeshadow stick in one video. I'll link that video also up in the I button as well as in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. So what I'll do is I'll just pause the video. I'll open this and I'll come back with the after opening. Yes. Now you all can see I have opened that film. I have taken some powder and I will try to use this puff. Chalo, we'll use this puff. Okay, this is the powder. Yes, it too smells like mint. So you all can see. This is just to show you I have kept like this. Otherwise you can just spread it properly. I don't think it will give you any kind of flashback or anything. No, this will not give you, because I tried to click my, yes, I have clicked my pictures also. Before shooting this video, I clicked my pictures because I have already applied this powder all over my face. So I don't think, definitely don't think 100% it is not giving me flashback. You all can see the texture. If you all can see some glitters, please excuse that, bar that one, because this powder doesn't contain any glitter. This is before the highlighter, like the highlighter stick glitter. But this is the particular swatch or whatever you call. This is for that particular powder. So, and it comes for 5 grams. It comes 5 grams, and right now when I'm shooting this video, purple is having only 4 variants with them. I don't know why the other 2 variants are not showing. Mint and the grape one is not showing. That is, this particular variant is not showing. But under this, as I told you, they have cherry, peach, lemon and melon available. If you want, you can definitely go for this powder. It is a big yay. And definitely if you belong to oily skin, definitely 100% for sure you can go for this powder. This will control, as per my knowledge, this will control your excess sebum, excess oil from your face. And suppose if you have applied full face of makeup but there are you can see some oil or something, you can just open this powder and you can just apply, tap it over there, because this will not give you any kind of color. This doesn't have any pigment. So after applying your makeup also, you can just tap it with some powder brush or maybe with the poof what comes with. You can do it that also. So that is a good way. You can keep it, and this is very small teeny tiny box. You can keep it in your bag also, in your purse also, so it won't occupy much space like other powders what we have, it doesn't occupy the space also. This is very small and compact, and it doesn't come with any kind of outer covering. It comes only with this kind of wrapping. So I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, and it doesn't dry out the skin also, mind you. So but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely do leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can specify in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your requirement as soon as possible, and I'll try to revert you as soon as possible. And if you can see different highlighters on my face, please do not mind, because before this video itself, as I told you, I just watched all the highlighters on my face. So if you can see, don't judge me, don't call me for that. Alright, so if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and do let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from my end. That is all for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.